all the rust and crap, and oh my god. Really do hope we can save this movement, because I would love to wear it. Come on. Oh. There it goes. Oh my god, that was really so stuck. I thought there was a moment that the screw would break. This is the really old oscillator. It's the quartz slither that is vibrating. So oscillator, like a pendulum or the balance wheel. They're the trimmer for the fine tuning. The CMOS, that's the brain of the quartz movement. And underneath here, the very distinctive coil. Oh, look at that. And now have a look underneath the E-block. Could be worse. But now we understand why there's so much oxidation there in the trimmer. Maybe it is solvable. And now we know why the screw was so incredibly tight. Now underneath here, the very distinctive coil. So no marks there. And there are the 4 coils. And I must say, it almost looks brand new. There's so much rust and gunk and looks horrible and over here, and this looks beautiful. It's insane. Well, and here the steel gear train of the quartz movement with the jewels, beautifully made. If we get the E-block, the electronic block, which is the ignition of a quartz movement, the escapement, if we can get it functioning, there is a perfect chance that we can fully restore this movement. But this is now presenting a problem. That is so much rust, and if you get really close, it does work. Oh, there's so much work in cleaning these parts, but it does look promising. There is the balance stop, the hacking function. I find it so strange that the rust and the horribleness is just on one side. And this is rust, and usually if it's just acid from a leaky battery, then you see the white oxide crystals. This is rust, so this is oxidized steel, yeah, iron. So usually this is water damage, and a leaky battery is got a different, because that's acid instead of the normal oxidation through water. It looks different. Dutch date ring, I'm really happily surprised with the Dutch date ring, or day ring. I put it into the cleaning machine, probably with some pegwood and some light acid. We will remove the rust. I'll try to make a video of that, and hopefully we can make an edit for a full restoration, and because I would love to wear this watch. It's just a nice, the first ETA Quartz. Would love to wear it.